It is no use installing CCTV thinking that the camera will do something or anything unless you know and observe what is in its view. A human being can stand there all day watching, but never have total recall, as we don't have built-in observation recorders yet. Even that is not acceptable, as we humans turn heads, blink, and take our eyes off the subject matter and cannot accomplish perfect surveillance. RFUSION's cognitive observation CCTV solution is installed on existing cameras or new cameras, set to take note and recognize specific incidents in front of the camera. Automatically in real time, the solution informs via alerts, either SMS or email, to the necessary individuals. The RFUSION global team has not only 23 years of CCTV camera experience creating cognitive observation technology, installing in diverse international locations for a myriad of security uses, but it is also passionate about the far-reaching demands of today. If you can see it, RFUSION can sense it. That simple and that precise. Sensing is an art form using varying security techniques, regular and thermal cameras for the needs and demands of today. It is an understatement to say that we have pivoted on more occasions than we care to think or consider. There is not a situation or a need that is beyond the capabilities that we know of yet. Our CCTV camera skill sets include the RFUSION benchmarks. Contact us for a conversation. RFUSION asserts at the speed of life. So can you.